Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about tangential component. So now I want to show you how to answer. We want to find about it in here. And the formula of this one, that is about vector v and vector 8, that is about velocity and acceleration, and this one that is about the dot product over the magnitude of vector v. So the first thing, we need to find vector v and vector 8. About vector v, that is about first derivative of r, or that's about this one, and this one that is about second derivative of r, or maybe first derivative of v. So in this situation, we need to find first derivative of rt. So this one and this one. So we don't have k in here, that means this is about 0k. So we can apply the power rule of derivative. So we have the formula in here. So for this one, first derivative of t, we have number 1. So we just have only number 9. First derivative of t to the power of 3. So we have 3t squared. And we have I. This one we have 2t. Now we simplify, and this one we have 9 minus 9t squared I. This one we have 18. Now let's go to second derivative. So this one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have 2t. This one we have number 1, so we have 18 3. Now we need to find the dot product between v and a. So we have this one multiplied by this one. And this one multiplied by this one. So we simplify this one, and we have 162t plus 162t to the power of 3. Now let's go to the magnitude of vector v. So we have the square root, and we need to put about this one and this one in here. So if we simplify this one, now we need to expand this one. So we have 81 plus 162t squared, and we have 81 t to the power of 4. This one we have 324 t to the power of 2. Oh, sorry, this is one wrong. Now, so this one minus this one, we have 81 plus 162 t squared plus 81 t to the power of 4. Now, if we do about factorization, we have 81 t 1 plus 2t plus t to the power of 4. This one we can do about identities. So we know that they always provide the positive number. So if we put this one go outside the square root, we have 9 multiplied by t squared plus 1. So after we have everything in here, so we combine the answer. So this one we can do about factorization by 162t over this one. So we have 162 divided by number 9, we have 18. This one and this one we cancel, we just have only t. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.